So this is type 5. You see if type 5, okay, type 5 number, first one I am doing here. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then prove that number 1, a square by a square minus b square plus c square plus b square by b square minus c square plus a square plus c square by c square minus a square plus b square is equals to 3 by 2. So this is your LHS. A plus b plus c is equals to 0 there. So b plus c, this will be is equals to minus a. B plus c the whole square, this will be is equals to a square. B square plus c square plus twice bc is equals to a square. So b square plus c square is equal to a square minus twice bc you will get. Okay, and next again, so this one you see similarly I can say that c square plus a square, c square plus a square is equals to b square minus twice ca I will get, and then a square plus b square is equals to c square minus twice ab I will get. Understand? So after that I will take LHS this one. A square by a square minus b square plus c square plus b square by b square minus c square plus a square plus c square by c square minus a square plus b square. Okay, so now in here you see a square by so now in here I will take the LHS. This will be a square by a square minus b square plus c square plus b square by b square minus c square plus a square plus c square by c square minus a square plus b square. Okay, so these values I will put it in here. A square by a square minus bracket start a square minus twice bc plus b square by b square minus twice ca plus c square by c square minus twice ab. So this is equals to a square by a square minus a square plus twice bc plus b square by b square minus b square plus twice ca plus c square by c square minus c square plus twice ab. So this gives me a square by twice bc plus b square by twice ca plus c square by twice ab. Okay, so now this is equals to 1 by 2 I will take common. I will get a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. Okay, so now you see what I will do. This thing I am rubbing. Okay, this thing I am rubbing. You write it serially. Okay, so this one is equals to I will get this one. You see 1 by 2. In here what I will do, both numerator and denominator I will multiply it by a. Okay, and in here by b and in here by c. So ultimately this one I will get a cube by abc plus b cube by abc plus c cube by abc I will get. Understand? So this is equals to 1 by 2. This is abc, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, and we know that since you see, okay, this one 1 by 2, this one I will get thrice abc by abc. Okay, this one is equals to 3 by 2 you will get 3 by, this is equals to 3 by 2 I will get, which is equals to RHS. In here you can write since a plus b plus c is equals to 0, this is our given, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube, this is equals to thrice abc. This one we know, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to thrice ABC I will get. Okay, so this is your is equals to RHS. Understand? This is twice BC. Okay, twice BC. Okay, so now I will rub. Next I will go to type 5 number 2 I will go. Okay, type 5 number 2. So this is our type 5. If A plus B plus C is equals to 0, then number 2 is equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3A, C plus A plus B is equals to 3B, B plus C, B plus A is equals to 3C, B plus C, C plus A. So this is equals to solution. This is equals to solution. So in here you see, first of all I will take this one. Okay, I will take this one. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3ABC become. Okay, is equals to 3ABC. Since A plus B plus C is equals to 0, so therefore I can say that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3ABC, and this is our equation number 1. Okay, next I will take this one, 3AC plus A plus B. Okay, okay, wait. First of all, wait 1 minute. First of all, I will write which is given. A plus B plus C is equals to 0. This is our given there. Okay, this is our given. So from here you see, A plus C is equals to minus C I will get. Understand? A plus C, this one C I will, A plus C minus C I will get. This is our equation number 1. And similarly I can say that similarly A plus B value I got minus C, C plus A is equals to minus B. This is equation number 2. And B plus C is equals to minus A. This is equation number 3. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now I will take okay, I will take this one. Okay, 3A C plus A plus B. This is equals to 3A C plus A value, it is minus B into minus C. This one ultimately I will get 3ABC. Okay, this is equation number 4. Again I will take this one, 3B B plus C B plus A, and this is equals to 3B B plus C value, it is minus A, and B plus A value or A plus B value, it is minus C. This is ultimately I will get 3ABC. This is equation number 5. Okay, again you see this one, 3C B plus C C plus A. So this is equals to 3C B plus C value, it is minus A, and C plus A value, it is minus B. So ultimately this also I will get ABC only. This is equation number 6. Okay, and now I will take this one, A cube. Now I will take this one, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This one it will be is equals to 3ABC. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This one is equals to, I will get 3ABC. In bracket I can write, since A plus B plus C is equals to 0, therefore A cube plus B cube plus C cube, this will be is equals to 3ABC. And this is our equation number 7. So now you see, now from 1, sorry, not from 1, from 4, okay, from 4, 5, 6 and 7, from this equation we get, from this equation you see, all are, this is equals to 3ABC, this is equals to 3ABC, this is equal to 3ABC, and this is equals to 3ABC. So therefore I can write that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3A C plus A into A plus B is equals to 3B B plus C into B plus A is equals to 3C B plus C into C plus A, and this is our proved. Okay, and this is our proved. Okay, so I hope you have understood here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next I will go to type 6. Okay, next I will go to type 6. So type 6 number 1, this is your BC, B cube minus C cube plus CA, C cube minus A cube plus AB, A cube minus B cube is equals to this one. I will have to prove. So this is LHS. I will take LHS, BC, B cube minus C cube plus CA, C cube minus A cube plus AB, A cube minus B cube. So in this type of problems, always remember, first in here I will have to take B minus C common. I will have to arrange this thing in such a way that I will get B minus C common, then C minus A common, then A minus B common. So in here what I will do, this one I will multiply it. So this is, I will get B4C minus BC4 plus C4A minus CA4 plus A4B minus AB4 I will get. Okay, so now this thing I will have to arrange in such a way that I can take out B minus C common, I can take out. Okay, B minus C common I can take out. So in here you see I will do, you see how I will arrange here. A4B, okay, A4B, then minus CA4 I will do. A4B minus CA4 I will do. Okay, then minus AB4. A, always remember B minus C. Okay, B minus C I am taking common. This is minus AB4. This and this I have already taken. Minus AB4 plus B4A, B4C, no, minus BC4. This is AB4 plus C4A. Okay, plus this is plus C4A I will do. AB4 plus C4A. Then next it is CA4, then plus B4C minus B4C minus B4C minus B4C minus BC4 I will do. Okay, this one I will do. So this arrangement, it is the most important. Okay, if you do mistake in this arrangement, then you might not get the solution. Okay, so this arrangement is important. What I did here, this one A4B minus this one I did minus C4A CA4, then again minus AB4 plus C4A I did, then plus B4C minus BC4 I did. Okay, so now in here you see I will take A4 common, so I will get B minus C I will get. Okay, B minus C I will get. Then again in here you see I will take minus A common, then I will get B4 minus C4, and in here I will take plus BC common I will take, then I will take b cube minus c cube I will get. Okay. So now this is, you see, a4 b minus c minus a. This one, you see, it is b square plus c square into b square minus c square plus bc, and this formula a cube minus b cube, this formula is b minus c, b square plus b square plus bc plus c square. Now from these three terms, you see, again this one I can break here. So a4 b minus c minus a b square plus c square, this is b plus c into b minus c plus bc, b minus c, b4 plus bc plus c, sorry, this is b square plus bc plus c square. Now b minus c I will take common, so I will get a4 minus a b square plus c square b plus c plus bc b square plus bc plus c square I will get. Okay. So now this is equals to b minus c. This one in here, you see. What I will do now. So these two again I will multiply it. a4 minus a, this is b square b plus c square b plus c plus bc. Let me multiply this also. This also let me multiply it. So this is, I will get b cube c plus b square c square plus bc cube I will get. So this is square bracket I am giving. B minus c square bracket a4 minus a, this is b cube plus b square c plus c square b plus c cube plus b cube c plus b square c square plus bc cube. Okay, so this is equals to, I will get b minus c a4 minus ab cube minus ab square c minus ac square b minus ac cube plus b cube c plus b square c square plus bc cube. Now in here again I will have to arrange, in such a way, that I will get c minus a common. Okay, c minus a I will have to common take out here. Understand? Now this thing you write it down, because this one I will have to rub here. Okay, this one I will have to rub. So remember, I will have to prove this one. I will have to prove I got b minus c common. Now I will have to take out c minus a common. I will have to take out. Okay, so I will rub this whole. Okay, so now in here you see I got here b minus c a4 minus ab cube minus ab square c minus ac square b minus ac cube plus b cube c plus b square c square plus bc cube I am getting here. Okay, this one I got. So now what I will have to take out? I will have to take out c minus a. So these arrangements are very important, because if you make mistake, you might not get the solution. This is c minus a I will have to take out. So in here what I will do, c minus a I will have to take out. This one a there. So I can write a to the power 4 minus ac cube. From here I can take a common, so a cube minus c cube I will get. Okay, so this and this together I can write. Let me see how I can make the arrangement. This and this together, a4 minus ac cube I can write. If I take a common, I will get a cube minus c cube I will get. So c minus a cube minus c cube, okay, no problem. I can take minus and I can solve it. Next, ab cube there, ab cube this is your BC cube and AB cube there. Okay, this one and this one you see minus AB cube plus B cube C. So from here, if I take out B common, I will get C minus A I am getting. Okay, so first of all, I decided to take this, and then this and this. Okay, so in here you see, so again this one and this one, if I take minus A square C plus B square C square, from there I can take B square C common, so I will get minus A plus C I am getting. Okay, from here also I can get C minus A, this and this, and the last this and this, minus AC minus A C square B plus B cube. So this is, from here I can take out C square B common, so I will get minus A plus C I will get. Okay, from there also I am getting. So now let's say if this works or not in this way. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, B minus C, this and this I will take. Yes, okay, this and this, A4 minus A C cube, then this and this I will take, minus AB cube plus B cube C. Yes, and then again this and this I will take, minus B square C plus B square C square, and last this and this I will take, minus AC square B plus BC cube I will get. So this is equals to B minus C. In here I will take A common, so I will get A cube minus C cube I will get. Okay, and this is, from here I can take plus B cube common, then C minus A I will get, and from here I can take B square C common, I will get C minus A I will get, and from here again I can take C square B common, so in here I will get C minus A I will get. Okay, so now B minus C, if I common take minus A, this becomes C cube minus A cube plus B cube, C minus A plus B square C, C minus A plus C square B, C minus A I will get. Okay, so again from here B minus C, this is minus A, this one I can write as C minus A C square plus CA plus A square. Okay, plus this one B cube C minus A plus B square C, C minus A plus C square B, C minus A I will get. So now B minus C, C minus A common I will take, so minus A C square plus CA plus A square I will get, plus B cube plus B square C plus C square B I will take. So this is B minus C, C minus A, and this is minus AC square minus CA square minus A cube plus B cube plus B square C plus C square B I will get. B minus C, C minus A. So now in here you see this is C square. Now next, the last, what I have to prove here, the last A minus B. Now I will have to take out A minus B common from here. Okay, I will have to arrange this in such a way that I get A minus B common. So now let us see A minus B. So this and this, if I take minus AC square plus C square B, C square common, B minus A I am getting. Okay, no problem. This one minus CA square this and this, if I take minus ca square plus b square c, I will get this is, you see, c, if I take common, b square minus a square I will get. Okay, this and this and this and this is I am getting in here b cube minus a cube I am getting. Okay, so now which one I will take? I will take this and this I will take. First of all, minus ac square plus c square b, then this and this I will take, minus ca square plus b square c, then a cube plus b cube I will get. So this is equals to b minus c, c minus a. From here, if I take minus c square common, I will get b, b yes, minus c square. If I take, I will get a minus b, and from here, if I take again minus c common, if I take here, I will get a square minus b square, and next this one I can write plus this is okay. From here again minus, if I common take, then this one I will get a cube minus b cube I will get. Yes, now b minus c, c minus a, in here you see minus c square, a minus b minus c, this is I can write a plus b into a minus b minus, and this one a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so now this is equals to b minus c, c minus a. From here again I can take a minus b common, a minus b common, so this is minus c square minus c a plus b minus a square plus ab plus b square I will get. Okay, so this is equals to, you see, b minus c, c minus a minus b, and minus c square minus ca minus cb minus a square minus ab minus b square I will get. Okay, so now in here you see b minus c minus a minus b, b minus c minus a, and then a minus b. Somewhere this is a minus b. Minus a, if I take common from here, everything was correct there. In here just I am getting one minus extra common I am getting here. One minus extra common I am getting, that one only problem going on. Minus c, if I take common, then I will get a square minus b square minus a cube minus b cube. Everything it is correct there. Minus a c square minus c a square, this is c minus a. Okay, c minus a. This is minus c, if I take common, this becomes a minus b. A minus b minus c if I take common this one, a square minus b square and minus a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, b minus c. This is again minus c square, a minus b common, minus c square minus c, a plus b minus this is a cube minus c cube common. This is c minus a, b cube common, c minus a plus b square c common, c minus a plus c square b, c minus a. Everything it is correct there. Only in here minus common I will take. So this is c minus a. So minus plus c square a plus cb square minus c. If I take common, then minus c. If I take common, then this will be a minus b. Okay, a minus b. Then again minus c. If I take common, this one it will be a square minus b square minus a cube minus b cube. Minus c square common minus c minus a. So c square minus a. This is b cube plus b square c plus c square b minus c square minus a cube. So b square c minus b square c minus c square a plus b square c minus c a square plus b cube minus c cube. So this is minus c square common, then a minus b I will get. A minus b I will get. Plus c b square minus a square minus c common a square minus b square minus a cube minus b cube. Everything it is correct there, but why minus common and c minus a, b minus c. Okay, so in here is equals to, I think there is a mistake in the question. Okay, I think there is a mistake in the question. So in here you see, from here minus I will take common. Okay, from here minus I will take common. So this will be b minus c, c minus a minus b, c square. You can write this in this way: a square plus b square plus c square plus ab plus bc plus ca. So this is your is equals to RHS, you can say. Okay, this is equals to RHS. In there this minus it will come. Okay, in here this minus it will come, which is your not given in the question. Okay, there this minus 1 it will come. Okay, so next I will go to question number 2. Next I will go to question number 2.